Good morning, children. In the last class, we did an activity with the ball. Today, we'll continue the activity with the balls. But before doing the activity, we'll go for the basic warm-up, like basic skills. The first, we're gonna take a personal space, stretch your hands, and do 3 helicopters. 1, 2, and 3. And you can see the bottles which were placed down in a circle shape. Yes, we're gonna do the warm-up today. By coming out and standing near the bottles, around the bottles. You should not get inside the circle. We'll do it out. Come and stand near the bottle first. The first will start with the walking around the bottles for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Freeze. So you need to stop wherever you are. The next we'll go for jogging. Okay? We'll start jogging. We'll do the same. You're going to do for 20 seconds. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Freeze. Stand wherever you are. Now, children, you're going to get inside the circle now. Get in. Stand in the middle. And you need to run on the spot as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Freeze. Relax. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Just for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See ya. Next, we'll go for doing a jumping jacks. The jumping jacks we'll do count of 10. Okay? Ready? We'll do the both counts at the one. For one count, you need to stretch your legs. Stretch your legs, hands up, and back again for one count. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. Very good, children. Just relax for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now next we'll go for doing an activity with the ball. So get ready, children. Yes, we'll continue with the ball activity now. The first activity we're gonna do is toss and catch. The children, you're gonna hold the ball at your stomach. How many levels we have? We have 3 levels. Okay, the first level is low level. You're gonna toss the ball till your nose. Yes. Next we'll go for the medium level. Medium level is till your forehead. The last high level, you're gonna raise your hand up. Yes, that is the position where you're gonna toss the ball till your high level. Good. First we'll start with the low level. You're gonna hold the ball at your stomach. Hold it with the both hands. Children, remember, you're gonna toss the ball and then catch the ball with the both hands. Try not to catch it with the one hand. Use your both hands to catch the ball. Okay. First we'll start with the low level. You're gonna do it for the count of 10. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, children. Then second we'll go for medium level up to your forehead. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, very good. With the last, we'll go for high level. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, children. Now here I have a challenge for you. The 3 levels we did know. The first level. Now we'll start with the low level. I'll give you 20 seconds of time. In 20 seconds, how many times you're gonna toss the ball and catch? It's a challenge for you. You're gonna count yourself how many times you were tossing the ball and catching over then 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, low level, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Freeze, freeze, freeze. So you are counting yourself right. Good job, children. The challenge is we'll go for medium level. Gonna toss the ball and catch at your medium level. The same challenge is for 20 seconds. I'm gonna give a count of 20. You need to count how many times did you toss the ball and catch. Ready? We'll go for the medium level. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Freeze. See, you're all counting by yourself, right? Remember the scores. Next, at the last, we'll go for high level. The high level is the same for 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Freeze, children. So today what did we learn? The 3 levels. What are the levels? 1, the low level, medium level, and high level. Good. So then we'll go for the next activity. Before going for the next activity, first keep the ball down and just relax. Keep walking at your place. Relax for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now we'll go for the next activity. The first, what we did before starting the activity with the ball, we were doing a warm up around the bottles in a circle shape. The same now we'll do with the ball around the bottles in a circle shape. Hold the ball with the both hands. Come out and stand near the first bottle. Stand near the first bottle. Now first we'll start with the jogging by holding the ball with the both hands around the bottles. The same we'll do for 10 seconds. Ready? 3. Start with the jogging. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. So you're gonna stand wherever you are when I say freeze. Good job. The first we did jogging, then on we'll go for jumping. So your children, jumping you'll do with the both legs at a time, as if we'll be doing a kangaroo jump, right? The same you will be doing by holding the ball with the both hands near your chest. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. Stand wherever you are. Good job, children. So just keep the ball down and relax in your place. Stand in your place and relax. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Now hold the ball again at your chest level. Good. Now turn towards your sides and you're going to do the side shuffle. I'll do it. Side shuffle. Facing the side. Good. Now do the side shuffle all around the bottles. Be safe, children. Make sure that you should not fall down. We'll do the same for 10 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. Very good, children. Good job. The next activity we'll do is the running. Children, you're gonna run with the ball, but make sure that you'll be running in a zigzag way. One, you'll get inside the bottle one side, the other side you'll come from the outside the bottle. Okay? Make sure that you run in a zigzag position. Do it slowly. That's okay, you'll run, but make sure you do it slowly. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. Stand wherever you are. Now keep the ball down. Just relax for 6 seconds. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now children will go for the next activity. Go. The next activity we are gonna do is the game, children. The name of the game is drop ball. The game is you're gonna drop the ball by using your feet. Take a ball and keep it aside now. Keep the balls, all the balls at one side. Keep it down. So now you'll be standing at one place. Good. Now we'll start the game. How we'll start the game is, first I'll show you the demo. You need to take the ball. When I say go near the ball. Take the ball. We'll start the activity whichever I say. Like start jumping. You'll be start jumping all around the bottles. You'll be doing in a circle way. And now when I say freeze, you'll stop. Get inside. Keep the ball down. Sit down, children, slowly. Use your both feet and drop the ball inside the box. Good job. Stand up and you'll go for the next ball. Children, it's just a demo. Now take a ball. Keep it at the corner. At one place again. Yes. Stand near the bottle. Ready, children? We have 3 balls. We'll do 3 times. The 3 activities we're going to do. We'll start now. 3, 2, 1, go. Go near the ball. First, you'll start with the jumping. Same. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep doing. Keep doing. You need to stop only when I say freeze. 3, 2, 1, freeze. Now get inside. Sit down. Drop. Keep the ball down. Use your both feet. Drop. Good. Again, go for the next ball now. The second activity which you're gonna do is side slide. Hold the ball near your chest. Do. Keep doing. Keep doing a side slide. Keep doing. Keep doing. Children, bend your knee and do. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. Get inside. Keep the ball down. Very good. See, now we'll go for the last ball. Yes. Now we'll try to hop on your one leg with holding the ball with the both hands. Ready? 3, hopping. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep hopping. 1, 2, 3, change. 1, 2, 3, change. Keep changing after every 3 jumps. Keep doing. Keep doing. You need to stop only when I say freeze. 3, 2, 1, go. Children, did I say freeze or go? You need to keep on doing. Come on. Now 3, 2, 1, freeze. Keep it down. Drop the ball inside slowly. Very good, children. Stand in the place. Clap for yourself. So now just rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Freeze. Now children, come inside the circle. Stand in the middle. Good. Stretch your legs. We'll go for cool down. Bend down. Free yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now free your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly twist your body sides. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good, children. Now sit down in your place. Keep your both legs straight. Free your legs. 1, shake your legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now make a butterfly. Swing your thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now cross your legs and sit straight. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Follow this just for the count of 8, children. Slowly breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now slowly rub your palm and open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Stand in your place, children. Good job. Clap for yourself now. Tap your shoulders. Good job. Good job. Thank you, children. Keep doing this at your home. Stay home. Stay safe. And thank you, children. Bye.